Hello guys, today we are going to look at finding area of a circle in a given diameter. We have already done a video about how you can calculate it in a radius. So today we will look at in a given diameter. So we know the formula of the area in a radius as pi r squared, and the relationship between radius and the diameter is that radius is half diameter. Therefore, if we need we will get r squared is equals to d squared. 2 squared is 4. So when we come here, we will replace the r squared with this one here. So therefore the area in the diameter is pi d squared all over 4. So here we have been given the diameter to be 14. We will take pi to be 3.14. So the area of the diameter of 14 is going to be pi times 14 squared all over 4, and that will give us 14 squared is 196 all over 4, which if we divide it that way, we can say 196 divided by 4 will give us 49. We can say 49 pi. If we don't want to leave our answer in pi, then we will say, or we will go further to say that it's just 3.14 times 196 all divided by 4, and that will give us 153.86. and here is feet, so feet squared. Alright, so we have been given a diameter to be 8, and they want us to take in pi as 22 over 7. Okay, so here we want to calculate it in diameter, and we know the area with respect to diameter is pi diameter squared all over 4. So we are substituting our numbers. So we have pi times 8 squared all over 4. Got pi times a squared is 64 all over 4. Here 64 divided by 4 give us 16, so we get 16 pi, but we want to take pi as 22 over 7, so we can say that the area is 16 times 22 over 7, and that will give us 352 over 7, and then we put it in our calculator. So we calculated, and then we got 50.29, and here let's say this was meter, then it's going to be meters squared, and we left our answer in 2 decimal places, and that is what. Alright, here they want us to find the area of a circle in a given diameter. So here we see in the drawing that our diameter, which is D, is 18 centimeter. The area of a circle in diameter is pi d squared over 4. So the area will be pi 18 squared all over 4. And that will give us 324 pi all over 4. Get 81 pi. Here we are taking pi to be 3.14, so the area will be 81 times 3.14, and that gives us 254.34 centimeter squared. Okay, here we have been given radius, and the pi has been given as 3.14, but we want to calculate everything in diameter. Remember, the area of a diameter, pi d squared all over 4. So for us to get a diameter, radius has been given as 3, but if we double it, we multiply by 2, that will give us a diameter, and that's 6. Now we are substituting it into the formula. We got pi 6 squared all over 4. 6 squared give us 36, so we write it here. And then we got pi divided by 4. 36 divided by 4 give us 9 pi. If we want to go all the way to the end, then the pi has been given as 3.14. You multiply that, you get 28.26. And here, let's say it was in a meter, then it's going to be a meter squared. Alright, let's look at our last example. We have been asked to find the area of the semicircle here, which is a half a circle. And still we are using the idea of area of a circle in the diameter. But here we realize that it is half a circle. So what we could do is we can have the area, and then we can have that formula that we have been given here, which half the area of a circle can become pi d squared 2 times 4, and that will be 8. So we'll be using that here. We know the diameter to be 10, so pi times 10 squared all over 8. We get 100 pi over 8, which is 12.5 pi. If we want to go all the way down, we are taking pi to be 3.14. We multiply this by 3.14. That gives us 39.25 centimeter squared. Please subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.